Okay, so here's how we add our crazy content, our prize content, and embed YouTube videos into Blackboard. So first, we have our section for vocabulary practice. We go to Build Content and click Item. Hooray, Item. Next, we're going to add a prize. Congratulations. And we're going to say, well done. You have unlocked more hidden content. Keep fighting. And then we go down, and then we click this button here, HTML. And this pops up. We're going to leave it right where it is, leave it there, and we go to our hidden content, and it's going to be a YouTube video, and we click Share, and then we click Embed, and that gives us this, and this is the embed code. And there are more options down here. You can choose where to start and stop a video at, but we're just going to give them the whole thing, and you click Copy. And down here it's told me that it's copied to the clipboard. So I'm going to go back to my item. Whoops. I'm going to go back to that HTML box, and I'm going to Control V. I'm just going to paste that right there and click Update. And you can see that the box is formed inside the item. I click Submit, and if I scroll down, there it is, and it's embedded right on there. I click here, I click Adaptive Release. It turns to everything. There is a season, turn, a time to load, and a time to, there we go. And then we're going to select, this is going to be, whoops, get back here. We're going to select week 3 test C, and if they get more than, let's say 70%, that's going to open up for them. And it's done, and done. And now we've got a prize attached to a successful 70% on that quiz, and that's how you do it. Thank you very much.